Your skin looks dull and lifeless even after putting on makeup. That's why it's important to rejuvenate your skin with enough moisture. And Keya Seth Aromatherapy Blueberry Face Brightening Mask does the job with perfection. It's loaded with 8 ingredients: blueberry extracts, vitamin C, chamomile, rosemary, tea tree, Scutellaria bicalensis, licorice root extracts, and Cantilla asiatica. To use this blueberry face brightening mask, first you must clean your face with a face wash that suits your skin. Then open the sachet and unfold the wet mask provided inside. Simply remove the protective back film and apply directly on the damp face. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and relax. Don't forget to gently massage the excess solution on your skin. Now it's time to remove the mask. There's no need to wash your face afterwards. Blueberry Face Brightening Mask offers 4 amazing benefits for your skin. Hydrates dry and damaged skin, fades wrinkles and fine lines, repairs pollution-stricken tanned skin cells, boosts collagen, and calms skin irritations. You surely love this glow of you, don't you? To keep your skin this nourished, hydrated, and radiant the whole season, use Blueberry Face Brightening Mask 2 to 3 times a week. And don't worry, it's completely free from harmful chemicals and suits all skin types.